Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python Skype. Today we are going to learn about the how to get the chat IDs. So basically when we try to send some messages to the particular individual user or the particular group, they have some chat IDs that is called unique IDs. So where we can chat with that user. So first of all, to send a message to the group, to send a message to the users or the individual, so we require the chat ID or the username where you want to chat. So that one, first of all, we have to retrieve the chats. Okay, chat ID. So first of all, we have to list and print the chat IDs in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So basically let's try to run this. Okay, so python 3 skype.py. Okay, let's see it's print the chat IDs or not. So here we have the chat IDs. So first of all, chat with live. This is mine. So here you can see that the first chat history is this one. Okay. Here you can see this is my first chat history. Here you can see then chat with this user. This is individual. This is individual one. This and this. This is single chat. Then we have this one chat ID with this and that. This is a group. Okay. So if I go and check, so first chat, this is a Skype single chat. So if the chat is types single chat, so you will get the single chat IDs, and then this is a group, then it will get the group IDs. Okay, so this is how you will get to retrieve the single chat ID or Skype group chat ID. Okay, so on this we are going to send the messages to this or schedule the messages to these in the next videos, right? So this is how you will get the main function is sk.chats.resend. So here you retrieve the chats also. You can also get the last messages and all with the help of this also. Okay, which will learn in the next coming videos, right? So this is the thing that you can get the list or print the chat IDs, and now we are going to chat on this IDs. Okay, so this is how we are able to do that. Any query, any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.